The next topic in biochemistry or lipid is fatty acid. The fatty acid are carboxylic acid along with hydrocarbon side chain are called fatty acid. They are the simplest form of lipid. They are mainly occur as a major constituent of various lipid in esterified form. Means hydrocarbon side chain along with carboxylic acid and alcohol form the lipid. Fatty acid also present in free form where they not form ester bond with alcohol. Fatty acids of animal origin are much simpler in structure than those of plant origin. Fatty acid from plant often contain the groups such as epoxy, keto, hydroxy and cyclopentane ring. Then fatty acid occur in even form and odd form. So the even fatty acid normally occur in natural lipids. Even fatty acid means they contain carbon present in hydrocarbon chain are in even number. They usually contain the carbon length C14 to C20. The even form is mainly occur due to biosynthesis of fatty acid which occur with sequential addition of 2 carbon unit from acetyl coenzyme. The example of even fatty acid are palmitic acid contains 16 carbon chain which is even number and stearic fatty acid contain 18 carbon chain which is again even carbon number. Along with odd chain fatty among the odd chain fatty acid, propionic acid containing 3 carbons, valeric acid contain 5 carbon are the most common odd carbon fatty acid. Then saturated and unsaturated fatty acid. The saturated fatty acid are those fatty acid which does not contain any double bond in hydrocarbon chain, whereas unsaturated fatty acid contain one or more double bond in hydrocarbon chain. Both saturated and unsaturated fatty acid almost equally occur in natural lipid. The fatty acid which contain one double bond are called monounsaturated fatty acid, and those fatty acid which contain 2 or more double bond are collectively called polyunsaturated fatty acid, also called PUPA. So if you see here, this is carboxyl group, then this is hydrocarbon chain. In this hydrocarbon chain there is no double bond occurring between 2 carbon. This is saturated fatty acid. Again second fatty acid, here you see this is the carboxylic group, then hydrocarbon side chain. Here you see the double bond. That's why it is unsaturated fatty acid. The fatty acid which does not contain double bond are saturated fatty acid, and fatty acid which contain double bond are called unsaturated fatty acid. The physical properties of fatty acid and compound that contain them largely determined by the length and degree of unsaturation of hydrocarbon chain. The non-polar hydrocarbon chain responsible for the poor solubility of fatty acid in water. The carboxylic acid is a polar which is responsible for the slight solubility of short chain fatty acid in water. Longer the fatty acid chain and fewer the double bond, lower the solubility in water. Means a short chain fatty acid and unsaturated fatty acid are more soluble in water as compared to longer fatty acid and saturated fatty acid. The melting point is also strongly influenced by length and degree of unsaturation of hydrocarbon chain. At room temperature, saturated fatty acid from carbon length 12 to 24 have a waxy consistency. For example, butter which is present as a solid at room temperature. Unsaturated fatty acids of same length are oil in liquid phase, oily or liquid at that room temperature. The difference in melting point is due to the degree of packaging of fatty acid molecule. Again, free rotation around the carbon-carbon bond give hydrocarbon chain great flexibility in saturated compound. In unsaturated fatty acid, cis double bond forces the kink in the hydrocarbon chain. Fatty acid with one or several such chains cannot pack together as tightly as fully saturated fatty acid, and their interaction with each other are weaker. Therefore, less thermal energy is needed to disorder this poorly ordered array of unsaturated fatty acids. They have markedly lower melting point than saturated fatty acid of same length of hydrocarbon chain. Therefore, saturated fatty acid occur as a solid form at room temperature, whereas unsaturated fatty acid contains oil at room temperature. Then nomenclature of fatty acid. The systemic name of fatty acid is based on the hydrocarbon chain from which it is derived. The saturated fatty acid ends with suffix anoic. For example, octanoic acid containing 8 carbon chain. But 8 carbon chain having unsaturated fatty acid that will have the suffix enoic. For example, octaenoic acid. Both octanoic and octaenoic acid contain 8 carbon chain, but one is saturated end with anoic, whereas unsaturated end with enoic. Then how the number of carbon atom given to the fatty acid chain or hydrocarbon chain. So it starts from the carboxyl carbon, which is taken as a number 1. The carbon adjacent to carboxyl carbon are then given number 2, 3, 4 and so on. So here you see carboxyl carbon, it is given 1 number, then adjacent to 2 given 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. Then alternate method is given the name alpha, beta, gamma and so on. Then another method is omega method, in which terminal carbon containing methyl group is known as omega carbon. It start here, the number is start from methyl end. The carbon atom in fatty acid are numbered as then omega 1, omega 2, omega 3, omega 4 and so on. So first method is start from carboxyl carbon, which is given number 1, then 2nd, 3rd, 4th likewise. In another method called omega carbon, here the methyl group is given omega 1, then adjacent to methyl group omega 2 and so on, omega 3, omega 4, omega 5 and omega 6 likewise. Naturally occurring unsaturated fatty acid belong to omega 9, omega 6 and omega 3 series. So the fatty acid which come under omega 3 series is linolenic acid. It contains 18 carbon total in that linolenic acid, in which 3 double bond is occur. First double bond occur at 9 carbon, second double bond occur at 12 carbon and third double bond occur at 15 carbon. Then the fatty acid which come under omega 6 series is linoleic acid. It is also containing 18 carbon, but there are only 2 double bond, first at 9 carbon and second one at 12 carbon. Then another fatty acid which come under omega 6 series is arachidonic acid. It contains total 20 carbon in arachidonic acid, having 4 double bond, first at 5th carbon, then second double bond at 8th carbon, third double bond at 11th carbon and fourth double bond at 14th carbon. And then the fatty acid which come under the omega 9 series is oleic acid. It is also containing 18 carbon, but it have only 1 double bond at 9th carbon. Depending on the length of carbon chain, fatty acids are categorized into 3 groups. First is short chain fatty acid, which contain carbon less than 6. Then medium chain fatty acid, which contain the carbon from 8 to 14. Then long chain fatty acid, which contain 16 to 24 carbons. Instead of writing full structure, biochemists employ the shorthand notation to represent the fatty acid. The general rule is first write down the total number of carbon atom present in fatty acid, followed by number of double bond, and then finally the position of double bond starting from the carboxyl lane. Now here the example given is palmitic acid. It contains 16 carbon, but it is contains saturated fatty acid. That's why no double bond is 0. That's why where double bond is present is not mentioned. Then oleic acid. It contains 18 carbon, having one double bond at 9 carbon. Similar in arachidonic acid. Then essential fatty acid. Fatty acid again divided into essential fatty acid and non-essential fatty acid. The essential fatty acid which are not synthesized in our body, whereas non-essential fatty acids which can be synthesized from in body. The fatty acid that cannot be synthesized by body, therefore should be supplied in diet, are known as essential fatty acid. They are a polyunsaturated fatty acid, namely linoleic acid and linolenic acid. These are the essential fatty acid. Another one is arachidonic acid. It is also called semi-essential fatty acid, because if it is essential, if it is its precursor, linoleic acid, is not provided in sufficient amount in diet. Means if linoleic acid linoleic acid is supplied in diet, from that linoleic acid arachidonic acid is synthesized. That time it is non-essential. If linoleic acid is not supplied in diet, then you have to compulsorily take the arachidonic acid in diet. Then function of essential fatty acid. They are required for the membrane structure and function. Essential fatty acids are also responsible for the transport of cholesterol. This essential fatty acid are also responsible for the formation of lipoprotein and prevention of formation of fatty liver. These are also needed for the synthesis of eicosanoids. The deficiency of essential fatty acid result in a pyoderma or toad skin disease. It is characterized by presence of horny eruption on the posterior and lateral part of limb, on the back and buttock. Loss of hair and poor wound healing also occur in deficiency of essential fatty acid. Then isomerization in unsaturated fatty acid. Unsaturated fatty exhibit geometric isomerization depending on the orientation of group around the double bond axis. If the atom or acyl group are present on the same side of double bond, then it is called cis configuration. If group occur on the opposite side, then it is called trans configuration. Thus, oleic acid is a cis isomer while elydic acid is a trans isomer. Here it is a double bond. Okay, so the other group are occur on the same side of plane. That's why it is cis isomer. Whereas elydic acid, the two group occur in opposite plane. That's why it is trans isomer. Cis isomers are less stable than trans isomer. Naturally occurring unsaturated fatty acid exist as a cis isomer, means the group occur on same side of the double bond. Cis isomers of fatty acid with characteristic double bond will compactly pack and in the membrane structure. Some of the fatty acid are also hydroxylated, for example beta hydroxybutyric acid. Fatty acid with cyclic structure are rare. For example, cholmogric acid found in cholmogra oil, which contain cyclopentyl ring, which is in cyclic structure.